Hi guys, in front of me is BLACKVIEW Color 8 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer. Then enroll keypad and let's enter the first code, which is *##06#. And as you can see here, we've got device information, email and serial number. So then to close it, just click on OK. Second code that you can use on your phone is *##, 225, ###. And here we've got the calendar info. I do not have any calendars connected with this device, but if you do, all upcoming events would be listed right here. And the last code that I want to show you today is *##, 426, *##. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, click on more icon and select advanced view. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.